Default behaviours, geez, they can be a bugger sometimes. You know, we have circumstances happen around us that, can surprise us. And when that happens, if they're unexpected, we default into our behaviours and we don't really question why. So recently I had a circumstance where suddenly there was a lot of new things about to happen in my world, and I actually defaulted into behaviour from 20 years ago, and it was really not very pretty. And it only really shifted when I asked the question why. So if you find yourself in default behaviour that doesn't feel very good, to move yourself out of that, just ask, why am I doing this? And then you can move on and find some new behaviour to stay in.